What's going on, YouTube? Derek here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be repairing the tire letters that I put on my RT Dodge Durango. As you can see, I'm just sitting in the RT, just chilling just for a minute. We're going to check it out, and I'm going to do a review at the same time. So for right now, if you haven't seen the tire letters, I need to clean it up. I know it's been raining around here. I don't know what it's been doing like in your neck of the woods, but I'm gonna do a walk around, show you the tire letters I put on them myself. So one of them came off. This was like the first one that I had put on. I put it on the outside of the tire. So the best thing to do is put them on the inside of the tire, so when the tire's rolling, that they won't fly off. So as you can see, like this one, I got them on the inside of the tire, close to the rim, not on the outside. Okay, got my tire off. This is what we're looking at. Got the whole thing off. Here goes my tire letters. If you get some tire letters, get the one that's all one piece. Don't get each individual letter. I tried that before, and I don't know how long they last before they start flying off. So if you do get some, don't try to go cheap and get the single letters. Get the one piece, the whole piece, so it fit on there right. And I'm gonna be putting it like on the inside of the tire, not the outside, so it'll definitely stick better and it'll last longer. So I'm gonna clean this up. Stay tuned, see how it look. All right, here we go. I'm gonna clean my tire with this alcohol that I got in my spray bottle. That way it help the glue and everything stick better. I'm not gonna clean the whole tire because I'm not doing the whole tire. I'm not putting the letters on the whole tire, so see all of that, you want to get all of that off. So I might take a couple of times to clean it up. I'm gonna clean this tire and I'm gonna show you how it look when I get finished. Okay, I'm back. Got the tire letters and everything put on. Check it out. That didn't take that long. Let me show you how everything looks. I think it looked cool. Look like a whole race car. Let me go clean myself up. I'll be back to give you a review. Peace out.
Share, like, comment, and subscribe on this video.